Take advantage of Prezi CSS Editor to customize the look and feel of your presentation. To access the editor, from the top menu, click Customize. When the sidebar appears, scroll down and select Advanced. At the bottom of the wizard, click Use the Prezi CSS Editor. Once the editor pops up, you can click and move it anywhere on the canvas, and expand the window by clicking and dragging in the bottom right corner. Great! Now let's take a look at a few of the ways that CSS can help you enhance your Prezi. Let's start by changing the background color. Find the background tag. You can change the background to any color using hex color codes. If you don't know the hex code for the color you'd like to use, then you can find a hex code key with a quick internet search. Just enter the code after the hashtags next to grad start and grad end. Then hit Apply to see how it'll look. Here's a trick. If you use two different values, you'll create a gradient for your background. Let's change one of them to a lighter blue. Hit Apply again to save your changes. Yeah, not bad. With the CSS editor, you can also make the title, subtitle, or body text really stand out by changing the background style. The background alpha tag changes the opacity. Choose a value between 0 and 1. 0 makes the background completely transparent. Let's set it to 0.9. Want a little more space around your text? Change the value next to background padding. Let's try reducing it to 4. Cool! Frames can also be modified, like changing the color and thickness. But to really make your frames stand out, why not try adding a border? Let's try adding a border around the circle frame to really make it pop. To do this, change the value next to border alpha. Remember, that's the one for opacity. Choose a border color, and then change the border thickness to any value you'd like. Now that's an eye-poppin' circle frame. Arrows, lines, and shapes can be customized too. And with arrows, you can even add a gradient or leave it as a solid color. Just make sure to hit Apply to save your changes. Be aware that some objects, like arrows or rectangles, have more than one style that you can change. Once you're finished, instead of recreating your custom look every time, just click Save Current Theme so that you can use it again in your next Prezi. Alright, that's just an introduction to what you can do with the CSS editor. Go ahead and give it a try. Oh, and be sure to check out our Learn and Support page for even more tips on using the CSS editor.